Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Purple Butterfly 138. So today I have this vacuum. I was on my way to my mother's house and I saw this vacuum outside someone's yard next to the trash can. It was out already for the pickup or for anyone who wanted to take it. And I saw it and I wonder why they have put it out. So I decided to pick it up and bring it home and try it out and see if it works. So if you want to know if it works, stay tuned to find out. My mind starts talking to me, and as always it starts out negative. So it's telling me, why are you putting a vacuum that someone is throwing away in your car? Obviously it doesn't work. And I just stay shut, I quiet, I let my mind keep talking. Then it comes up with, it probably doesn't even power up. You're just wasting your time. So at that point I'm like, okay, that's fine. If it doesn't turn on, I'll just put it back out in the trash and that's the end of it. So I bring it home and I go to plug it in and I plug it in and switch the power on and it doesn't turn on. So my mind is laughing at me at this point. Haha, I told you, you're wasting your time. It doesn't even power up. So I disconnect it and I realized that I forgot to press the button to reset it. So I plug it back in. And it turns on. So at that point, I'm laughing at my mind. I'm like, haha, it does power on. So now I'm thinking, why did they throw it away then if it powers on? So I turn it around to make sure that the brushes are turning fine, and I turn it on. And the brushes are spinning fine. So then I'm thinking to myself, well, they probably threw it away because they probably upgraded. They got a new one and they didn't need it. So I was happy. Then I start to vacuum. Let me see if I can. Not inside, so I'm gonna put some leaves here to show you. Okay, so there's some leaves right there. And I go to vacuum them. But if you can see in the cup, it's not picking them up. So they're not going in there. So I'm like, that's the problem. That's why they threw it out. It's not capturing the trash in the collection bin. So I take this part out and I turn it on. And that part's working great. So then I realized the problem is down here. So when I go to connect this back inside here, something catches my eye. And I don't know if you can see. Can you see that? It is stuffed. So something is blocking the airway. So there was a screw 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws. And I didn't see this one. It's connected to. Now it came out. That's supposed to be the airway. Nothing can go through there. Nothing. I guess they cleaned up after Christmas. Let me go down the other. All of this was covering the air hole. And let's put it back together and see if it works. And now it works. So I can't believe these people threw out a perfectly fine working vacuum cleaner when it was an easy fix. Let me throw this. Look at everything that picked up now. Where before it wouldn't pick up anything. Well, hope it helps you fix your vacuum if you're having problems with your vacuum instead of throwing it out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. For more videos, please remember to subscribe.